This video shows a set of threaded molds manufactured for Japanese customers. The product is a tightening plastic part. The plastic is PMMA. This plastic part has no specific requirements for distinguishing and identifying the direction. Its function is only to assemble some parts and fix them. The product does. We do not make an ejection system. Positioning only by the 6 1.5 mm pits on the moving by using the hydraulic motor to drive the chain, to drive the gear shaft to rotate. The product will loosen and break away from the threads of the plastic part, and the product falls off automatically. Mold size 400,350,000, 456 mm, 3-plate mold. The cold runner feeds glue from the top gate of the product. The number of cavities is 4. One hydraulic motor and 1 transmission chain, 1 main gear, and 4 threaded shafts. We adjust the tension of the spring to determine the force of the ejector plate movement. This position is a chain adjustment structure. There is a stroke adjustment screw on each side. The B plate is also the ejection plate, moving 10 mm in the direction of the release. This position is a chain adjustment structure. The operation action of the mold is that the chain is driven by the hydraulic motor to drive the gear shaft to rotate, and the product will loosen and break away from the thread of the plastic part, so that the product will automatically fall off. The following is the mold motion animation. Please follow. Of course, there are many kinds of screw mold structures. This video is just one of them. I hope you like it, and post your thoughts. Thank you for watching.